Good Friday morning, everybody. A lot to get to with the remnants of Francine, and we'll start with whether or not you should wash your car. Well, with rain sort of in the forecast, although they are low chances, you can do it if you want to, but you are taking your chances, especially today, maybe even tomorrow. Probably hold off until Sunday. That's the best day it looks like. Now, if you're in far eastern Kentucky, if you're watching us from Ashland, you have no problems next couple of days because there's going to be such a sharp rainfall cutoff. We look at the drought monitor sort of all over the place, flirting with extreme drought here in eastern Kentucky. Lexington's okay, but just west of town, we get into that moderate and severe drought. Southern area is still in good shape. So in all, I would say we do need the rain, and we're not going to get much here from this tropical system over the next couple of days. Maybe a couple of hundredths or a tenth or two, but far eastern parts, most likely little, if anything, maybe a trace. Unfortunately, so that's not going to help our drought conditions, but there may be some relief on the way. I'll show you that here in a second. So some showers this morning, and then by this afternoon, most of that activity really starts to decrease. A lot of this is going to be very light and insignificant by the lunch hour. You see some of those rain bands really falling apart. This persistent easterly flow that we're seeing really just eats away that rainfall because of that continual flow of drier air. You can see a lot of us remaining relatively dry. Now, far southwest sections may see some showers as they're a little bit closer to the overall rotation, but for the most part, nothing to worry about on Saturday. The football game for Kentucky and Georgia should go off without any issues. So right around 80 today, scattered showers, just a 30% chance for the most part across some of our areas. Those chances fall off dramatically the further east that you go, as you see high 70s and 80s and then 60s tonight. Then our attention turns to early next week where there could be another system developing off the Carolina coast and moving in our direction. Could spread quite a bit of cloud cover in here for Tuesday. We'll see about precipitation, but a lot will change with this forecast, so keep checking back with us throughout the weekend for more. But overall this weekend, looking fine both Saturday and Sunday. Watching, as I said, those potential tropical impacts for maybe that Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. Right now, just clouds in the forecast, but temperatures will be seasonal.